Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet C10. Great little truck, guys. It's out of Missouri. It's got the pretty two-tone red and white paint combination with the black vinyl interior. 350 Chevy. It is a short box. Really just a good truck. Runs and drives excellent. It's got air that blows cold. Just a nice, clean, straight short box, guys. I love the color combination. Like I say, it drives great. 81,000 original miles on it. Just a good, clean, straight truck. Sits good. It's got the original, a lot of the chrome and stainless is original, so you can kind of pick at it a little bit. It's got newer bumpers. Paint on the truck's very nice, and other than a couple little stone pecks, I didn't really see much you can kind of pick at on the paint. Very nice. I like the two-tone. I like that white cab with the red bottom. Good, Jim. I like the spray-in bed liner. Makes the truck very kind of usable. Matter of fact, I just had this done on my new truck. And I saw a couple little stone pecks, but that's kind of it. I really didn't see much to kind of pick at on the paint. Paint's real nice on the truck. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the Cooper Cobras all the way around it with the factory rally wheels. .350 engine. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel stock intake with the stock ram's horn exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes, and air. Truck's detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Good looking truck. Looks like the original door handles. It's got the factory bench seat. Factory dash. $81,518 on the odometer. Factory gauges. AM/FM cassette radio. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust system. It's stock 12-bolt rear end, not a big gear, just a factory gear. Jay's driven the truck a couple of times, says it drives out really good. A couple little scrapes here in the paint on the inside there. But he said it drives great, nice and tight. Oop, you have to lift this. Get it? Ah, you're gonna have to do it, Jay, sorry. Stuff's hard to do one-handed. Truck's nice and clean underneath. Again, Missouri truck. Good solid straight body. Sorry guys, little wax on the corners there. Dash. Steering wheel's nice, dash is real nice, the gauges are nice and clear. Dual mirrors. Air works, blows cold, guys. Good running 350. Looks like all your gauges are working. Oil pressure gauge works. Yep. Fuel gauge works. Backup lights do work. Thing on the radio? Yep, radio works. Blower motor works. It's one of our happy customers in a 72 Chevelle. Does that every time it comes by. Again, make sure you keep track of our website. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. A lot of times, guys, I'll post cars as I'm buying them on there. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. If you're just looking for a good, solid old short box Chevy, you're going to like that car, or truck, I should say. Have a great day, guys.